All right, folks, here comes San Joaquin train 715. Your northbound destination for this train is Oakland Jack London Square, getting ready to pass by my hometown. Now, this is it. Here it comes now. Let's see what's leading off this train, folks. F59 PHI. Woohoo! 2000. Yeah! 2010. Cabcar 8308. Woo! Thanks for the horn show, 2010. Nice. Anyways, there she goes. West to Oakland. We'll continue on to Antioch, Martinez, Richmond, Emeryville, and the final destination for this train is Oakland Jack London Square and Emeryville Station. There are bus connection services towards the Bay Area, including the Transbay Terminal in downtown San Francisco. Nice. That's it. Live in my hometown, Oakley, folks. Thank you all for watching. Now I'm out. Until next time. See ya.